Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are seeing a domain or DNS error or on Shopify, don't worry, this video will show you exactly how to fix it in just a few minutes. First of all, log into your Shopify admin dashboard, go to settings, then click domains. If your domain says not connected or SSL pending, it means DNS settings are incorrect. This often happens when you connect a third-party domain like from GoDaddy or Namecheap. Now let's fix the DNS settings from your domain provider. Log into your domain provider like Hostinger or Namecheap. Even you can use GoDaddy. Go to your DNS management and a DNS zone from your uh, domain provider. Then make sure you have the correct A and C name record. For A record, host at the rate points to 232.277.27.38.65. Shopify IP, then CNAME record, host, www points to shops.myshopify.com. And click Save Changes. Go back to Shopify and click Verify Connection. DNS and DHS changes can take time, usually up to 48 hours, but often much quicker. Refresh your domain page on Shopify. Once verified, the warning will disappear. If SSL is pending, give it some time. Shopify automatically issues a free SSL certificate. If it's still not working after 48 hours, try double check DNS records, clear your browser cache, use tools like dnschecker.org to confirm propagation, or contact Shopify or your domain provider for help. And that's how you fix the domain or DNS error in Shopify. Hit like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.